Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirvana Musical Healing. In this video, we dive deep into the Hanuman Chalisa, a powerful devotional hymn dedicated to Lord Hanuman, the epitome of strength, devotion, and selfless service. Written by the poet Saint Tulsidas in the 16th century, the Hanuman Chalisa consists of 40 verses, each celebrating Hanuman's divine qualities, heroic deeds, and his unwavering devotion to Lord Rama. We'll explore the meaning behind each verse, from Hanuman's birth and early life to his pivotal role in the epic Ramayana. Learn how this hymn praises Hanuman's immense strength, wisdom, and his ability to protect devotees from fear and danger. Discover the spiritual significance of chanting the Hanuman Chalisa and how it's believed to bring mental peace, courage, and protection from life's challenges. Whether you're seeking to understand its deeper meaning or looking to incorporate it into your spiritual practice, this video will guide you through the timeless power of the Hanuman Chalisa. The Hanuman Chalisa begins with a couplet invoking Lord Hanuman's blessings and asking for wisdom and strength. It also praises Hanuman's virtues and asks for protection from life's challenges. The verses 1-3 describe Hanuman's physical form and character. He is depicted as the son of the Vayu god and a figure with great power, intelligence, and humility. His divine qualities are compared to a golden mountain, signifying his steadfastness and strength. The verses 4-7 recount Hanuman's birth and early life, his dedication to learning, and how he became a devout follower of Lord Rama. He is celebrated for his mastery of the Vedas and other scriptures, as well as his unmatched strength and courage. The next verses 8-11 describe Hanuman's role in the epic Ramayana. He plays a crucial part in helping Lord Rama rescue his wife, Sita Devi, from the demon king Ravana. Hanuman's unwavering devotion and fearless actions, such as his leap across the ocean to find Sita Devi, are highlighted. In verses 12-16, the Hanuman Chalisa speaks of Hanuman's heroic deeds, including his destruction of the demon city of Lanka, his slaying of many demons, and his devotion to Lord Rama. These verses also emphasize Hanuman's ability to dispel fears and evil influences and his power to grant boons to devotees. Verses 17-20 emphasize Hanuman's knowledge and wisdom, his ability to control the 9 planets, and his ability to protect devotees from negative astrological influences. Hanuman is also described as a healer, capable of curing diseases and alleviating suffering. In verses 21-24, the hymn praises Hanuman's ability to remove obstacles and protect from dangers. It also assures devotees that chanting the Hanuman Chalisa will lead to liberation from the cycle of birth and death, moksha, and the fulfillment of their desires. The verses 25-29 emphasize the benefits of regular recitation of the Hanuman Chalisa. It promises that those who chant it with faith and devotion will be blessed with wisdom, strength, and prosperity. The power of Hanuman's name to destroy all fears and dangers is also highlighted. Verses 30-35 recount Hanuman's role in helping Lord Rama achieve victory over Ravana and stress his unwavering loyalty and service to Rama. Hanuman is praised for his selflessness, humility, and eternal devotion. The final verses 35-37 of the Hanuman Chalisa reiterate Hanuman's divine status and his ability to protect devotees. It expresses the belief that chanting the Chalisa will bring peace, success, and spiritual blessings. The Hanuman Chalisa concludes with a couplet honoring Saint Tulsidas, the hymn's composer, and offering final praise to Hanuman, asking for his blessings. The Hanuman Chalisa is not only a devotional song but also a spiritual practice believed to bring mental peace, strength, and protection. It is widely recited by Hindus around the world and is especially popular in times of trouble, as Hanuman is considered a protector and a remover of obstacles. The Hanuman Chalisa is also seen as a tool for developing inner strength, courage, and devotion, guiding devotees towards a life of righteousness and service to others, much like Hanuman himself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Hanuman Chalisa. We hope this exploration has deepened your understanding and appreciation of this sacred hymn. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more spiritual insights and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay blessed, and may the power and protection of Lord Hanuman be with you always. Jai Hanuman.